In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Grok on Twitter, now known as X. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking to enhance your user experience or utilize some of the unique functionalities Grok offers. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with Grok. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top of the page. You're going to type the letter X into the search box. This should direct you towards various search results related to Twitter's new identity as X. From the list of search results, look for the official website link for X. It should be titled X or something similar. Click on this link to be taken directly to the homepage. If you find yourself getting confused by the multiple search options, don't worry. Just make sure you're navigating to the website that leads you to Twitter's new interface, branded as X. Once you're on the X homepage, keep an eye out for the Grok icon. It should be located on the main navigation page. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the Grok interface, which is an exciting feature where you can interact with various prompts and conversations. Having arrived at the Grok interface, it's time to get creative. Here you can make a prompt, which essentially allows you to engage with the conversations going on in the Grok platform. Don't rush this part. Think about what kind of engagement or information you want to receive. The more thoughtful and specific your prompt, the more useful and interesting the responses or interactions you'll generate can be. After you've crafted your prompt, the next step is to submit it. Look for the Submit or Send button, usually found below the text entry area. Clicking this button will send your prompt into the Grok conversational space where it will be processed, and you'll soon see the feedback or continuation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to make the most of Grok on X. It's a tool that's designed to enhance how conversations are held and managed on X, offering a more dynamic and interactive experience. So next time you log into X, remember to interact with Grok and explore all the possibilities it offers. You'll discover a rich array of discussions and themes that can keep you engaged and informed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your time using Grok on Twitter's X platform.